Hello everyone. Today we're going to fold a paper aeroplane. So let's start off folding a line. Then we'll fold here. And open up. Now see how it's like there's four rectangles on each side. Now this line to this line, like this. And then this line to here, like this. And this line to here. Like this. Do you see it? And then now this line to here. And then we need some scissors for this part and a pencil. Well, I have a different pencil, but it's okay. You can use pencil. So you start in here. You make a line here. And from this to top. It's a bit scurvy. The line is a bit curvy, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if like the sides are different. So now we're done drawing. Now we have to cut. So first we cut. We follow the pencil and cut. You cut now. Yeah. You cut here now. Like this. They don't really have to be perfect. It's just practice, and we'll have fun. So these, we could put it in the recycle, and now it's time to cut the other part. Here. And well, it doesn't really have to follow the line, because it will turn out good. But when you follow the line, it's better. Now, what you do is well, see this? Then we glue these lines, but we could also tape it. But excuse me, I'll get some tape first. So wait a minute is okay, right? Yeah. So I'll get some tape. Well, I'm just getting some tape. I want to keep my mom quiet, but yeah. I can't find tape, but glue is also okay. So I glue this on. But yep. And now just wait a second. I'll find out what we will do now. I'm back now. So now what we do is we have to do like this. We fold it here, like this, and then we fold it back out. But see, like this. And then the other side, you copy what the other side did. Now we have like this frame. So it's almost done. But sorry, and move the screen. You cut this like this. You open it. You do it like this and close it back. So now you see that like this. Good. Now our paper and airplane is done. Look. Great, huh? Do you want to put more decorations? Of course you can. But if you want it to see how you fly, oh, you can also. And here's the funny thing. I'll keep my mom quiet, okay? So let's see how can it fly. And I'll bring it. Well, I'll fly it in my house. So let's go. And let's see. Good. So it's cool, huh? Yep. So let's see it fly again, because my video is almost ending. Well, yep. Good. Now let's see it. Good. So now, bye. See you again.